Alright, here are the 10 things I learned from posting over 500 YouTube shorts and going viral, so make sure you learn from my mistakes. Why should you listen to me? I can save you so much time. I wish I had someone telling me all this stuff when I started. I run several viral YouTube channels and I've got millions of views on YouTube shorts. I just want to help and give back to people on YouTube who helped me when I got started. Okay, let's start with point number 1. Your shorts are going to suck when you start. I mean this in the nicest way, but unless you have editing experience from TikTok or something else, your content will suck. Mine sucked so bad that I'll show you one of my edits right now, and it makes me sick looking at it. I'm just going to add this as a voiceover as I edit. This is so uncomfortable to watch. I can't believe how bad that video is. So yes, you're going to suck badly, but you're going to get much, much, much better, because if I can do it, you can do it too.
Subscribe to show you love her dancing.
Point number 2. Start with a niche that has a big TAM and is English speaking. TAM stands for the total addressable market. The reason for this, and I'll just explain it in simple terms, is if you only make content about golden retrievers, you'll only probably go viral in the market of people who exclusively like golden retrievers versus people who like dogs in general. The market is just smaller. Just start with a big market and then move into a smaller, more niche one as soon as you understand the mechanics of going viral and you know that you can edit correctly. Also, a second reason why I say this is an English-speaking market is super important. Basically, YouTube pays based on where your audience is located, and English-speaking countries in general have more money than non-English-speaking countries. Therefore, advertisers are more inclined to pay more money to get in front of these audiences. Point number 3, you can definitely make great videos and still not go viral. This is something you really need to be aware of, and we'll tie into point 5 as well, but basically when your channel is new, you could make a great video and YouTube just doesn't send the video out to many people. This is just a trust issue, and usually brackets of views you get when you start a new channel is 0, around about 500, and 1k through 15k. The only one that you actually have to worry about is if you're getting 0 views. Anything more than 0 just means that your content 99% of the time sucks, which is good because it means that you're new and your channel's working correctly. All right, point number 4. If you can't name your competitors, then you don't have a niche that's worth doing. And the reason I say this is because people start YouTube, and I was definitely guilty of it myself in the beginning, and they just start posting content they think that viewers want to see. No, that's incorrect. You need to find content and competitors that you know people are watching already. Mostly, you want to choose a niche that has just started popping off. The hardest part is getting a channel to open up. And when I say open up, that's getting your first viral video that makes your channel push. Once you get your first viral video, your channel unlocks and your other videos will begin to push. Point number 5. The key to going viral is luck, but the only way to get lucky is to make lots of videos. Now that's just kind of like a generalized point, but you'll find a lot of people disagree with me. And if they do disagree with me, they have either not been in the trenches or they got lucky themselves when they started. But luck actually plays a huge factor in going viral, and what I like to call the luck proc. Now, I've seen really bad videos get big views, and I've seen really good videos get bad views. This is the luck proc. But the way you defeat the luck proc is continually making great videos. If you make great videos every time, eventually one of your great videos will get sent by YouTube. And I'll give you an example of this, and you would have seen this if you're looking at other channels. When you see those channels that have lots of videos on them, and they just have like one viral video, like 1 million plus view video, but the rest of the videos suck. They're like 10 to 15k. That's the luck proc. They've made one video that was either good, or they've made one video that YouTube eventually just sent out. And YouTube will do that. They just send a video randomly on a channel every now and then. It will just get sent like 100k million views. That doesn't make it a good video. That's the luck proc. But the way YouTube tests your channel is if you make 30 good videos, one of those will get sent. And if you've made good videos, it'll have good stats. That video will go big. It'll do 1 million to 10 million views, no worry. The rest of your videos will pick up. If you make 30 bad videos, YouTube eventually will just send one of your videos, will get like 100k, maybe a million views. It'll try to send you other videos. They all suck and it won't work. So the only way to defeat the luck proc is just continually making good videos. All right, point number 6. You should apply for your YouTube monetization as soon as you hit 3 million views. So there's 2 tiers in the monetization. The first tier is the 3 million view tier, and the second tier is a 10 million view tier. And the reason you apply at 3 million, I think it's 3 million views and 500 subs, is because you have time to appeal should you not get allowed into the program. You have time to fix things should you not get allowed into the program. But mostly it's so when you are approved at 3 million views, your channel is monetized at that point. All you're actually waiting for is to hit 10 million views. As soon as you hit those 10 million views, YouTube AdSense turns on, you start earning right away. If you wait till 10 million, your channel might unlock and you might have made 30 good videos. You could miss out on 30, 40 million views worth of earnings because YouTube's still working out whether your channel should be monetized or not. Just do it at 3 million. Kick yourself if you miss out on all the profit that happens when the channel gets monetized at 10 million if you didn't do it at 3. All right, point number 7. You can definitely start earning pretty good money before you're monetized if you have a music deal. Music deals are insane. I'm sure you've seen the videos. I'm sure you've seen people talking about him. TLDR, you can get paid by companies for using music on your channel and you don't have to be monetized to do this. The pay is very good. I've seen RPMs myself as high as 60 cents US for videos and creators making thousands per month just with music. If you're interested in a music deal, comment on the video and I can put you in touch with someone who can get you one, or I might be able to affiliate you one myself. The next thing, point number 8, get someone to review your content. And I can't stress this enough. Get a friend, get a mentor, get someone to review your content, someone that does YouTube, someone that will know much faster if your content is good or bad and review and speed up your review process. And you really need that person to pick your videos apart and tell you everything that they see. And it's actually not a bad thing. It's just 2 sets of eyes. And I do it with myself. I have a business partner. I'll send him a video and I'll be like, hey, what's wrong with this video? And he'll go, you missed the subtitles on this word. Okay, cool. I didn't even see that. I edited it myself. You do these things, it's just much easier. Point number 9, you should download your competitors' videos from YouTube or TikTok and you should put them into your video editing software. And the reason I say this, and I'm 100% serious, is download them, get them in your editing software, and check out all the things on the videos for anything in that video. Like first half a second, zoom in, note that. Then sound effect, arrow, color grading is really good. They change every 3 seconds. What you need to do is pick apart the entire video. Take the script, look at it, look at the first words, look at all the words they use, look at the flow, look at how it sounds, look at how long it is, look at how long before the CTA is. All of these things. Do that for 10 videos and then you go, okay, I now have a blueprint for how I need to make my video. And if your videos don't match up to that, then don't bother editing them. Your first goal is to just go viral. And the best way to go viral is just basically to copy what other people are doing. I know that people say this, like, it's on 2 sides of the argument. They'll say like, oh, don't copy. And then the other people will be like, no, copy them perfectly. Well, I'm in the side of you copy to learn. If you are learning how to read and write, you copy it out. That's what you're doing right now. You're copying it out until you understand the process of how to go viral. Now, you could pick your own content and substitute in with that formula. All you're really doing is getting the backbone of how your video should look and sound from another channel or from other channels or things where YouTube has proven that they're viral concepts. Point number 10, this is the last one. It might be the hardest one for some people to swallow, but if you're just starting, expect it to take you probably 100 videos plus to see any success. Yeah, people won't like this, but people say, oh, you can go viral in 30 days. Yes, you can. Is it likely? It's extremely unlikely. Some new creators will. I'm going to say more than 80, 90, 95% of them won't. The reason is you're just not good enough. Your content is not good enough. Unless you have an editing background already, your content simply won't be good enough. And you might get the luck proc and go viral in that time, but it's actually about going viral over and over. And if you can't do that, you're not really viral. That's not a bad thing. I'm just giving you a reality. It's going to take some time, 100 plus videos. The way you speed that up is to edit for other people or just edit more videos and get better. So I say 100 videos and you go, oh, it's 100 days. Well, I mean, it's 50 days if you do 2 videos a day. 50 days, what about 3 videos a day? That makes it about a month. So you just keep editing videos. You get underneath someone who can teach you what to do and you learn the best you can. Okay, if you think my information was helpful or you're beginning needing help, please just drop a like and follow, comment your questions, and I'll do my best to answer everything. And I'm also going to try and release one of these videos every couple of days with everything I know and just give you as much information as I can. So thank you very much for following, liking, and subscribing. I will see you tomorrow.